How to turn off use data to improve Discord on Discord, of course. Hello guys, how are you today? I will teach you and show you how to do this. Just first make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is going to Discord and opening it. Then guys, when Discord is opening, you will just go down here and click on your profile. Then you will go to privacy and safety option and you will click. After this you will have a list of options. You will just go down to use data to improve Discord. As you see, it's activate. I wanna reactivate it or turn off this option. I will just go here on this place and click, and then I will click yes, I'm sure, and by that it will work with me. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next